Top 5 alternatives to Facebook groups for WordPress 2026. Still building your community on Facebook groups? It might be time for an upgrade. With a WordPress powered community, you own your members, your content, your data, and the entire experience without worrying about changing algorithm or platform limitations. In this video, we will show you the 5 best Facebook group alternatives for WordPress in 2026. So you can build a faster, more engaging and fully customizable community on your own website. Let's get started. Our top pick is BuddyNext. If you want your own Facebook-like community but on your own website, BuddyNext makes it incredibly easy. Your members can create profile from here. They can share the update from here, comment and reaction to the post, send private messaging from here, and they can also send and receive notifications from here, and they can join community spaces from here, all without leaving your own website. What really stands out is the modern app-like experience. Everything feels fast, clean and easy to use, which keeps members engaged. Plus, as your community grows, BuddyNext grows with you. And if you ever want to add forum, media sharing, directories, gamification or online learning, it integrates seamlessly with the webcom ecosystem. If you are serious about building a community you truly own, BuddyNext is an excellent choice. Second one, BuddyBoss. This is BuddyBoss platform. It's a premium solution that's especially popular for online courses, coaching, businesses, and membership websites. You get profiles, groups, messaging, activity feeds, and great LMS integrations all in one polished platform. This is all about BuddyBoss. Next is BuddyPress. It's one of the most trusted community plugin for WordPress. If you like flexibility and want to customize your community with themes and add-ons, BuddyPress is still a fantastic option. Next, we have PeepSo. Gives your website a social media feel with profile, activity feeds, groups, messaging and media sharing. It's easy to set up and offer a polished user experience. Next is FluentCommunity. FluentCommunity is newer option that's great for private communities. It's a simple, clean and ideal for creators, educators and membership businesses that want focused members engagement. Those are our top Facebook group alternatives for WordPress. If you want the most complete and modern community experience, BuddyNext is our top recommendation. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments.